you're experiencing the cloud save error 2025 in GTA 5, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue effectively. Step 1. Check internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and functioning properly. A weak or intermittent connection can lead to issues with cloud saves. Step 2. Verify game files. Open your game launcher, Steam, Epic Games, etc. and locate the option to verify the integrity of game files. This process will check for any corrupted or missing files and replace them as needed. Step 3. Clear cloud save data. Access the cloud save settings in your game launcher and clear any existing cloud save data. This can help reset any issues that may be causing the error. Step 4. Disable cloud saves temporarily. In the game launcher settings, disable the cloud save feature temporarily. Launch the game and play without cloud saves to see if the error persists. Step 5. Contact support. If the error continues after trying the above steps, reach out to the Game support team for further assistance. Provide them with details about the error and any troubleshooting steps you have already taken. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the cloud save error 2025 in GTA 5. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek additional support.